In 1970, Jane Roe's lawyer first filed Roe v. Wade. 3 years later, the Supreme Court legalized abortion, but now more than 50 years after Linda Coffey filed that lawsuit in Dallas, Ariel Placencia shows us she's watching the battle over abortion come back into the national spotlight.
$15. Now they keep raising the cost.
$15. Linda Coffey even saved the receipt. That's what it cost the Dallas attorney to file Roe v. Wade in 1970. Fast forward 52 years.
I think the leak is horrible.
A leaked draft opinion shows a majority of U.S. Supreme Court justices are ready to overturn Coffey's case.
Well, I guess I knew it was kind of coming, and then I guess we're going to be back to going back and fighting over whether it's 15 weeks or...
Coffey has been in the abortion rights fight since she graduated from UT Law School with Sarah Weddington.
She was going to bring an abortion case, abortion challenge. I don't know how she was going to do it because she didn't have a client.
Coffey said a friend from church introduced her to Norma McCorvey, who was pregnant and wanted an abortion. McCorvey became known as Jane Roe. In Roe versus Wade, the Dallas district attorney.
Henry Wade was really a very excellent prosecutor.
Coffey and Weddington argued the case in this courtroom, which still exists on Hervey Street in downtown Dallas. The three judges who heard the case agreed with Jane Roe's attorneys, but the case was appealed to the Supreme Court.
I was kind of nervous anyway because this is the only time I've ever addressed the United States Supreme Court.
Coffey still has her quill pens, a traditional souvenir given to lawyers who argue in front of the Supreme Court.
There were so many people, and we noticed that there were a lot of the wives of the justices on the Supreme Court were there.
The Supreme Court ruled in their favor, legalizing abortions in 1973. But now the future is uncertain.
Well, I'm sure that's what we're going to be fighting over state by state in the future. I think people will go places where they can get an abortion.
Her advice to the younger generation?
Keep participating and, you just do the best you can to try to make things better.
In Mineola, I'm Ariel Placencia.